Roof replacements are expensive, and they never seem to happen at a convenient time. Well, if money's tight and you have to get your roof replaced, there are certain areas that you don't want to cut cost, because that can cost you more money in the long run. In this video, we're going to be going over 5 ways that you can cut the cost on your roof replacement without compromising the integrity of your new roof system. I'm Bill Reagan with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Let's get into it. Use 3-tab shingles. 3-tab shingles is a baseline product for a roof installation. You can expect to pay somewhere around $3.75 per square foot, or $375 per square, for a good 3-tab shingle roof. You can also expect to get somewhere between 18 to 20 to 23 years out of a good 3-tab shingle roof that's installed properly with the proper maintenance. Get a nail over roof. When we're talking about a nail over, that means just nailing new shingles over your existing roof. Now, not all roofs qualify for this. You want your roof to still have enough life on it that it's still laying down flat, so the new roof that you install over the top of it lays down flat as well. Also, you don't want to have a lot of walls and flashing that you have to deal with on a nail over. So an up and over with a few valleys without many walls is the perfect candidate for a nail over. Now remember, it's going to save you somewhere around $75 per square to not take the existing roof off, because you're not going to have the tear off labor, the dump fees, or new underlayment to install. Before you decide on doing a nail over, talk to your roofing contractor that you trust and make sure that it's right for you. If you decide to do a nail over and it's not the right choice, then it could wind up costing you a lot more money in the long run. Shop around for multiple quotes. When you're shopping around for multiple quotes, make sure that you're comparing apples to apples. There are smaller roofing contractors out there that can actually do your roof cheaper because they have less overhead. Don't go with the cheapest option just to find out later that there was either something in the fine print or something that was left off of the roof estimate that's going to cost you more money in the long run to fix. Go with generic brand components. When I say generic components, what I'm talking about is underlayment, ice and water shield, things like that, that don't have the roofing manufacturer's logo plastered on them. That makes them a lot more expensive. Roofing manufacturers are very proud of their components, but that doesn't mean they're any better than the ones that are made without their label on them. It's kind of like buying cheap beer. It'll still get the job done, but it doesn't cost you as much. Educate yourself. The more you know about the roofing process, the better. You're less likely to get scammed, and you're going to be more educated on how much you should be paying for your new roof. And as a matter of fact, that's what you're doing right now just by watching this video. To keep educating yourself on how to get the best roof possible at an affordable price, click on the link below or click on the link at the end of this video to watch our video about what a roof estimate should include. I'm Bill Reagan with the Roofing Channel, and remember, like and subscribe so we can grow our channel and help educate more homeowners like you. We'll see you on the next one.